Alright, quick video where I'm at on this, doing an engine on a 15 Jaguar XF. There's the subframe, transmission. Here's the old engine, stripped down. Can't use the blower, everything's different. Even the harness I have to swap over. Well, we're getting her back together here. Got the harness swapped over. Just gonna get the AC compressor and alternator on. Then we're gonna mount it back over here. So stay tuned. She's gonna be running like a charm. All right, so as you can see, she's all back together, buttoned up, ready to be slammed back in the car. Everything's swapped over. That's mint. Top of the blower all buttoned up. And then she's going up into there. Stay tuned. As you can see, we got her all back in. I just got to put the rear shaft over here. But for the most part, the whole front end's back together, front axles, everything's back in. 1 second. Alright, here we are, see? Everything's all back in. Just got to button up the harness and hook up some piping, but for the most part she's done. We'll have her running Tuesday morning since it's a long weekend here, and I'm about to take off for the day since it is Friday. So stay tuned and we'll have a running video up soon.